Welcome back. I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. In this video, we're going to be talking about lead generation. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with artificial intelligence. That's right. Right now, we're talking about a business to start with AI today. In this segment, we're talking about lead generation. We're going to be covering the best businesses that you can start with our good friend ChatGPT and its other friends as well. Now, let's start off the conversation. What are some, or can you say, can I start a business using ChatGPT to generate leads? Can I start a business using ChatGPT to generate leads? Now, I'm going to give you the best opportunities to generate leads that I'm aware of due to my research and due to my experience. But I always want to give you perspective from the robot. And ChatGPT says you could potentially use ChatGPT to generate leads for your business. You can trade the model to converse with potential customers and gather information, blah, 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 blah. We're not going to go for all of that. The two opportunities that we're going to talk about right now are, I'm going to jump all the way down to lead generation. The first one is rank and rent. I'm just going to talk about this very informally. I want you to really absorb the point that I'm making right here. This is a sophisticated presentation, as you can see. Rank and rent. This is lead generation, and it is the most popular form that's taking over the internets right now. In short, what you're going to do is rank a website, and then you're going to rent access to that website. So this is a query that I just did here. I'm going to zoom in so you can see what I'm talking about. I did a search for Blackshear, Georgia, tree removal. All right, we're talking about home services many times in this niche, rank and rent. Okay, so home services are the hot niche. So what you're going to do is make a page that will rank for a low competition location, but a high ticket service. For example, tree removal, but in a small area like Blackshear, Georgia. You can get your Google on if you want to get familiar with where that location is. All right. The thing I want you to look at is the results. When you look at these search results, you'll notice that there is not a particular website that is ranking number one. You see these Google service listings, and the first website you see is Angie's List. So there isn't one website that's ranking for tree service. You see particular businesses who are getting, they're listed here through a third-party site like Yelp or like Angie or Home Advisor. So that gives you an opportunity. Now, it's not going to be very easy, but it is very strong to generate a lead site, rank for a small city, and then rent this site back to the top participants in that particular area. So if you rank number one for blacksheartreebusiness.com, and it was a page that just captured leads, and once it started generating those leads, then you could rent the website to one of these companies. This is the model for rank and rent. You rank a site and then you rent access to that site. Get a site ranked and rent the site to your customers who are businesses. You rent it to your business customers. Okay. This is rank and rent. It's a very profitable, high potential business model. Now I'm going to jump over to the second lead generation site. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. We're all about starting and growing businesses with artificial intelligence. This is what it's all about. So let's jump to the second. The second lead generation opportunity is to sell leads in hot industries. How do you sell leads in hot industries? Well, when the industries are super hot, it's super easy to find people that will pay you for leads in the solar industry right now. Because of the extreme markup in solar panels, they got a lot of money available to pay marketers to bring them legit leads. Let me just show you real quick. And I'm just showing you a simple search on Google about sell solar panel leads. And right away I found a couple different companies that are in this business. This is a company that is providing educational information about solar panels to the public, and then they're collecting information when people opt in for a estimate. They turn around and sell those leads. How much are those leads worth? Solar leads cost between $35 and $200. There's the business opportunity. How much are you going to invest to capture that lead? If you can sell it for $35 and the lead only costs you $5 or $10 to generate, now you have a margin that you can operate a business. Okay, here's another company, Bob Urdu. But just some more examples of the value that's in this lead generation in the solar panel niche. When you're selling leads, you gotta be in a high ticket area. Right now, home services is the lowest hanging fruit. All right. Make sure you subscribe at howwhy.ai. When you subscribe, I'm going to send you the 12 businesses to start with AI today. I'll also give you the 31 AI apps to use in your business now, and you'll get my email address. So when you have questions on the whole process, I will be there to help you out. Now, let me show you one just quick overview of what we're talking about in this business. So you start here, you're going to run some type of an ad in order to generate that lead. You're going to run an ad on Google. So when you saw me search for Blackshear, Georgia tree removal, one of the things you didn't see here was a lot of ads. So there's another opportunity for you to step in front of these older legacy businesses. People tend to click on the top result. So if you put an ad in here and you're able to quickly turn around the customer's interest into an actual quote, an actual activity, then you'll begin to get a higher reputation, and you'll start generating more and more leads. So the first thing you do is you can get an ad in place, because you're not going to rank to start. Once you get the ad, you got to send them to a quality landing page or an opt-in page. This is where they're going to provide their information. You need to know, hey, where's the house where you want the tree removed? And what number should we call when we send out our estimator, right? When they get to this landing page, they're going to make a decision. Either they're going to provide their information or they're not. If they do, boom, you win. You send the customer the information, the person that's renting your site, and you generate your revenue. If you've been renting that site for X amount per month, then you've provided the service, you generate your revenue. Now, if they don't opt in at your landing page, then what do? You're going to remarket them with ads through IG and Facebook. Of course, this is when you click on a coupon or something in your email, and then you keep seeing those ads. Remember, you clicked on that ad And now every time you log into IG, you keep seeing ads. Those are remarketing ads. They are targeting you because you visited their landing page. They're going to keep showing you ads until you opt in. And then once you opt in, they're going to keep sending you offers until you, in this case, all you'll need to do is opt in to generate the revenue. But in other businesses, you'll continue to send them offers until they make a purchase. All right. So this is just a quick overview of the lead generation business. I want to thank you for liking this video. If you didn't like this video, make sure you share it with somebody who will. Until the next time, I'm your host, Darnell Jackson. Peace.